Medewo eko atifi atoye mantem ni mu na unse ye efie bebrenie yo manfo won potem won ma hwe ni mu se ekwan a ye kwantempon fiti wa de kosi han kosi tumu na to mu Wa-Han-Navrongo no ekwan ne tibie wom no enyo manfo hwe ni mu ache afedi ajebo anya bedro mampani John Dramani Mahama dia so akobo foma sa kwan a ye kan wo mo ebehase ayamo manfo no
media wonum dia so abofom ho ewo we eka big push media mampani John Dramani Mahama dia ba se oba beye akwan ahodo ye wo mamu amanafa no ntuma pefra na okire se kwansini ahanu adusia ena wonum eba bedi ho dwuma ewo etifi atoye mantemu a ebi ne se kwan ya wo ho dada atete apansam no wonum eba besiesie no na afenso nkronkrom akwan no mayi yatum eguso kama ama ahyan atumi afaso ye mampani ekiremu a.
And so under this phase we shall undertake the upgrading and rehabilitation of more than 260 kilometers of roads in the Upper West region. This will include dualization of the Wa-UDS City Center Road to decongest and beautify the regional capital. So from the roundabouts where the fire service is, we're going to dualize that road all the way to the UDS campus.
Na wasade atuja se na nuso ade hunu pa ne se mantifido mantem mu akwan ahodo ewo ho nyina no obesiesie ni nyina ama na gina na so na edwadie ne wonu ma woto ne wonu ma wokoton nyina no watumi edi sa akoni aba no ama sika aba ho.
But let me spell out some of the roads that are going to see improvements under these 260 kilometers of roads. We have the Wa-Bulenga-Yala Road, the Wa-Han Road, the Tumu-Han-Lora Road, the Tumu-Hamile Road, the Tumu-Sicily-Navrongo Road, the Tumu-Chuchuluga-Navrongo Road, and the Navrongo-Tumu-Sandema Road. All these roads are going to see a major upgrade.